So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I deep condition my hair. Look at my hair. It looks crazy. Like, what is this? It is all over the place. And it's a mess. Like, so this is my hair after I have applied all of the deep conditioner. I actually had to like maneuver some way to get some extra out of the hair that was overly saturated so that I could add it. And here I am just cutting up the ingredients for the conditioner. So first I went ahead and did the avocado. Then right now I'm peeling the aloe. If you've ever peeled aloe, you know what time it is. Aloe is really hard to peel simply because it's like literally so like firm on the skin that you have to use a spoon so that you don't cut it off. And then it's like really slimy and jelly, so you have to make sure that you're getting all of it so that you can make sure you maximize the aloe, obviously. So that's what I'm doing here. So I just want to give you guys a quick run through of when I would use this conditioner. So I would use this if my hair is breaking, it feels really dry, or just if I'm taking out a protective style or putting one in. It really gets your hair off to a really, really good start. And it provides like unmatched hydration. So if y'all are suffering from breakage, do this. So after the aloe, I'm gonna add an egg. And the reason why I add an egg is, who knows, because eggs have protein. So some people separate the yolk and the egg, but I just put both in there just because it really doesn't make a difference. But yeah. All right, make sure y'all still paying attention because this is important. I'm adding some water, olive oil, and I decided to add a little Manuka honey. I decided not to go with the clover honey just because Manuka honey is more raw and it has like more properties that are more beneficial to your hair. So I'm doing that and I'm blending it up and putting it in my Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner, my favorite product. I'm putting it in there. Let's pretend that's what it is. And we're done basically. Like, let's get right into applying it to the hair. Doesn't it just look like it was made to be in there? So I'm going to be applying this to my hair. You really want to saturate your hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hair into 6 sections. So it's the moment y'all have been waiting for. It's time to add the product to your hair. Hello. So I sped this up for y'all, but I tried to keep it a little slow just so y'all get an idea of the sections and the size they should be in order for you to really coat your hair properly. So I'm just going through my hair and I'm doing those 6 sections that I mentioned earlier. And I'm making sure that my hair is pinned up with these clips that I have to make sure that each section is out of the way when I'm working on the other. And I forgot to mention earlier, you guys need to make sure that the conditioner is fully blended. Like, you don't want it to have any chunks. If you don't have a blender, you can use a fork, but try to get that avocado as mushy as possible because the chunks will get stuck in your hair. Also, please, I'm begging you guys, do not wash your hair out with warm water. The egg will cook in your hair and you will have scrambled egg hair. Like, seriously, it's happened to me before. And I'm telling y'all from experience, do not wash your hair with warm water. As cold as you can tolerate, use that water to wash your hair out and you'll be good. So, next. Okay, I hope y'all are still with me because I put a lot of effort into this because this is very messy and this is one of my first times doing it in my room instead of in the bathroom because avocados will be everywhere. So if you can, put a towel or something on the floor, which is what I did. And I just started going through my hair. So when you're applying it to your hair, make sure that you take the entire section and rub both your scalp and your hair from top to bottom, starting with the bottom. So rub it through your whole entire section and then you want to comb it out. You want to comb it out because this whole process is also about detangling. So you want to make sure that each strand is coated and each strand is detangled. So you want to do that and then you want to twist that section up and put it away and move on to the next section. So I cut out the other clip of me doing the rest of my hair just because this is pretty self-explanatory. It's like doing any deep conditioning treatment. Just make sure you repeat what I'm doing here for every single section and you're good. Okay, y'all, get into the definition. Don't tell me y'all don't see it. Get into the definition. Like, seriously? So my hair is fully coated now, and I'm about to put it away. I'm doing some work from home or whatever they call it these days, because we in quarantine. So I'm gonna be putting my hair up, making sure that conditioner gets in there and it soaks up. You only actually have to leave it for like 30 minutes, but I'm doing so many things at once that I'm just gonna leave it. Definition, we back. So yeah. So I just wanted to show you guys my entire head of hair to show you guys that it's fully coated. It's hanging. Before, if you saw earlier, it was not hanging, period. So we are ready to put it under our shower cap. Look at how much hair came out, guys. Basically nothing. So here I am showing y'all my empty container. It's empty yet again. I had to use all of the product to do this. And yeah, I'm twisting it up now, putting it away so I can finish doing what I'm doing, working from home. Yeah, if I said I knew how many hours later this was, I would be lying. And I'm not about to lie to y'all. So basically, it's been hours and my hair is completely dry. Conditioner has absorbed into my hair. And I'm about to wash it out. So get into the definition. Like, this could be a whole wash and go. But we ain't going nowhere because we in quarantine, duh. So stay tuned for the wash out, y'all. Y'all about to see why y'all need to do this deep conditioner tonight. So I'm gonna pause because y'all think this is a game and it's really not. Do y'all see the health in those strands? Go do your deep conditioner now.